What's up, my fellow traders? I hope you're all enjoying this holiday season. So let's start our analysis starting with natural gas, gold, silver and crude oil. So let's see what's happening here on net gas, and as you can see we had an inventory report released today that came out bullish, and right here as you can see that was less than expected. So if you see less than expected means that implies the greater demand and the bullish for natural gas, and with that we had a push up out of natural gas. And as you can see, if you remember yesterday I've said that if we have a bullish engulfing pattern right here, that will be a weak signal that can still push higher, and the news candle has pushed the price higher. Now I've already made a video how to trade the news when we have a report release in combination of technical factors, which I'm going to upload before the end of this year. So something nice for you to learn to take efficient trading decisions. So for now, what to expect from here? So nothing much changed. As you can see, the rejection box termination zone has reacted nicely and pushed the price higher due to this bullish engulfer right here on NEMEX as well. And right here, if you see, we had a bullish engulfer right here, and that pushed the price higher. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. Here on Wanda, we did not have a condition, but yes, we are still getting a likely bullish engulfer. Personally, like to see a direct entry when we have a completion of this pattern, or the entry happened below the invalid entry that did not happen. But in that case, I use some discretion. If this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, that can be still an entry, but a weak entry signal. For nice one. So as you can see, I've said that if the candle closes as a bullish engulfing pattern, in that case, we have a buy signal, and that will be a weak signal. Of course, I want to see something, a direct entry, but in this case, we had a price push up, push back down, and then we had this entry condition, and I use some discretion when I'm trading support and resistance. Right here we had a condition, right here we had a nice push up, and now the price is heading towards a level of termination zone which is right up there, almost hit this level. So it is very important for the price to break above this level for the price to trigger an entry number 2. Once we have that, a break and close, it is very important to see a close as well, and I want to see a good close, not something like this. These are just the wicks, tries to push up and then closed back down. So I want to see a candle must close above. In that case, we have an entry number 2 of the head and shoulder pattern triggered. Like I mentioned yesterday, if you have already entered the trade here, the stop loss is below, take profit 1-to-1, and if you want to manage it, that's totally up to you. For now, once we have a break, we have entry number 2. If you enter here in a less aggressive way, stop loss can be below, take profit wherever you want to take it. 1-to-1 is always my initial target, and then I manage it accordingly, and also use 1 ATR for my target initially. But for now, once we have a break above, we have an entry number 2 triggered, and we have a signal that price wants to push up. And for the complete reversal, I want to see a complete break above the zone as well, which is 2.493. Once we have a complete break and close above the zone, in that case we have a change of trend, and the price will likely head higher to the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my weekend's video when I mark the zones again. So keep an eye here. These are the conditions I'm closely looking at for natural gas. Here on capital.com, exactly the same. The price is pushing higher towards the zone, which is 2.605. Once we have the break and close of this red zone, in that case the price will turn completely bullish, and we will only look for pullback entries for buy trades. For now, I want to see a good momentum and then a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. If we have this condition, a good push up and the pullback, bullish engulfer, we have a pullback entry, a buy signal if you are trading on this platform, and I will go long from here. So keep an eye here. These are the conditions I'll be looking at for natural gas. Here on NEMEX, if you are trading on this platform, a broke above will be your entry number 2. Stop loss can be below, take profit wherever you want to take it, and I'm expecting a price to head higher if the price break and close above. If you have a push up, pullback, bullish engulfer, that is a pullback entry and less aggressive way to enter. Aggressive way will be a break above, that is itself your entry. Keep an eye here. This is a condition I'll be looking at for natural gas, not looking for any sell trade at this point. Next one, we have gold. Gold is pushing up nicely. As mentioned yesterday, we are getting a nice push up out of this triangle pattern. The price is pushing higher, and now we had a pullback, bullish engulfer. Now price is pushing higher. I'm still expecting a price to head higher. I want to see a break above, pullback, bullish engulfer, and keep on taking longs. Like I explained yesterday, ratio is pushing lower. Right here we had a retest, exactly the same. I've said that we can get a retest and then a possible push down and the push up on gold. So let me show you what I've said so that you can understand the ratio trading with gold and silver as well. This video, I'm also looking at gold and silver ratio that has broken below the level of support, means we can get a possible push up, a retest, and a fall. A fall here means a rise in gold and silver. A pullback here means a pullback in gold and silver. So if you have a pullback here, we can get a pullback here, and once the price falls there, we can have a possible push up to this level. Of nice one. So exact move I have predicted yesterday, and price is now formed a bearish pattern. We can expect the price to push down from here, and if we have a push down out of the ratio, we can get a push up out of the gold and silver both. So at this point, price is pushing higher, and I'm expecting a price to push higher and hit the level above, which is 2063, goes up to 2075.69, from where only area I'll be looking for my sell trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candle bearish. So keep an eye here, not looking for any sell trade, expecting a price to head higher, likely to hit the zone above which I've just mentioned. Here on silver, price is broken above this pattern. We had a pullback, and now price is pushing higher from this pattern. The break is itself an entry, like I explained in my previous video. Stop loss can be below, take profit wherever you want to take it. If you want to manage it, it's totally up to you. So keep an eye here. I'm expecting a price to push up with the pullbacks. Of course, the bullish engulfer, once we have that, we're good to go long. So only looking for long trades till the price hit the level above, which is 25.86, goes up to 26.39, from where we are going to enter our sell reversal trade. So keep an eye here, not taking any sell trades, only looking for buy trade, and expecting a price to head higher from here. Last one we have crude oil is now pulling back. It's just a pullback. I'm not expecting a price to fall from here as long as we are above 50 EMA. So we have no entry condition, but we had a pullback. We had a new high from the previous highs, which is totally fine and totally nice. Price is pushing up in a trend. All I want to see a push up, break above this high, and then a pullback with a bullish engulfer and keep on taking long, and price will likely use this level that was previously a level of resistance. A little anchor will use this level, has used this level as a level of support that can push the price higher, and then it will likely use this level as a level of support with the pullback, and price will push higher from here. So that is what I'm expecting from crude oil. Only looking for long trades with conditions only, and the zone from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades is, sell trade is 78.06, goes up to 80.27, from where we're going to look for our entries with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. So keep an eye here, look for the condition I've just mentioned. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@thewateofmoneymarkets.net. Hope you trade green and have an awesome holiday season. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.